Hey guys, what's up? Today we're taking a look at unboxing the new Razer, the Razer 15, whatever they call it. I don't even know what the official name is, but it's in this box, so let's open it up and take a look. Okay, so let's start the unboxing. It's a little dim right now because recording this at night, and I guess I could record it during the daytime, but I'm not going to wait to open it. So there's actually a seal on the bottom, but I opened that earlier. So I kind of cheated. Okay, so here we have it, and right off the bat, it's pretty heavy. It's, I would say, a good 10 pounds, to be honest. So it's kind of hard to see because I'm using a wide-angle lens. It's not the most detailed, but let's see, i7 8750H, Full HD, 144 Hertz, GTX 1060, 512 gigabyte SSD. So that's the model I opted for, and I really wanted that 144 Hertz screen, so I decided not to get the 4K version. Kind of hard to see. It's black on black. It says "Welcome to the Cult of Razer." So that's pretty cool. I gotta say, this is my first Razer product, so you know, for me, this is a brand new Razer unboxing. I've never seen any of their previous products, and once I saw this laptop come out, I just had to get it. Got the power adapter, comes with, looks like a set of a belt that you pull over, and you can see that it's pretty thick and made of like a nylon type braided material, which is kind of cool. Take that up, I'll open that more in a second. Also we have this. I'm not sure what it is. Let's see. Oh, it's just the other end of the power brick. So there is the box that we actually care about now. Finally, I'll have these two foam pieces on the side. Look how well packaged it is. That they, this is pretty good packaging. I would feel comfortable if this, fell down the stairs in the box. It's good to know that they put that effort into it. I mean, you are paying a lot for it, so I guess that's always good to do. All right, so it's got this sort of magnetic strap here. That's what it feels like. And it says "For gamers by gamers." Just gonna look on the outside quickly. Razer on the side, black Razer on this side. Nothing really on the bottom except for some fine print. It actually feels like a book, like a well-binded book. Okay, so you open it up, and that's the presentation right there. Pretty nice. So you just you open up and you got the laptop right here ready to go. First thing you see is this. It says "Thanks for choosing a Razer system." Has some more information there. You can visit support.razer.com, and it says, if you have any questions or problems with the Razer laptop, do not return the laptop to your retailer. I bought this directly from them, so there will be no returning to the retailer. And then the laptop itself. So I do like how there's no space at all. Like, it's just nice and fitted right directly on the inside. And this up here is like a little foam, basically, very spongy. Okay, so I'm gonna try to tip this over because there we go. Okay, before I even open it, just gonna take a look at this last piece here, I think. And likely this would be the warranty and product information. So it looks like, yeah, looks like warranty and stuff like that. We'll put that aside and get to the laptop. Okay, so now we have the laptop here. So first off, love how thin it is. You just see right there. They say it's like 0.66 of an inch or something like that. But you can see compared to my thumb, look at that, just pretty thin right there. And that goes around kind of all sides, and you can already see how boxy it is. Look at those sharper corners, which is really different than their 14-inch model and stealth model. That's actually one of the reasons that attracted me to buying this. So I'm a big fan of just kind of boxy things, kind of sharp edges.
So I got this plastic tab in the back, and you can just pull that off. And probably meant to come off one piece, but there we go. And see that, I'll just kind of pull the other side off, it slips off.
And then you have the device here. So just taking a closer look, you can see that it's got a black matte finish. Got the logo here on the front. It's very glossy, a little bit more glossy than I thought it would be. Still pretty cool though. And I was thinking about getting a D-brand decal for this, but I probably won't because I really like that finish. I think it's very nice, and it doesn't look like, I mean, you're gonna get some fingerprints, but I don't think it's going to scratch very easily. That's important to me because I'll be using this on the go a lot. Putting in my laptop bag, switching bags, and taking it to different locations. So yeah, that's the front. Back, you got the two rubber feet, ventilation, more ventilation, and this little space here, which is interesting because it kind of reveals what looks like the cable for maybe the display, maybe the screen. So nothing to worry about really, but just kind of interesting. So there's that on the outside. This side you got the ports. The Kensington lock looks like mini display, HDMI, USB, I believe that's 3.1, and Thunderbolt, I believe that's USB Thunderbolt 3. And then you got the power, which is proprietary, kind of weird. Two more USB 3.1s, and then audio microphone jack. So a good selection of ports, and it's a 15-inch laptop, so I mean you're gonna kind of want that selection with it. Most people are using this for probably either gaming or production, and for both of those you're going to need a lot of ports. So let's open it. So the front, it's got a very small slit. I wouldn't say an indent really, and you can just kind of pull it open. And I know I was holding it, but it opens pretty easily with one hand.
Actually, let's move this box and some of the stuff and go and show you that again. This is really good. This is a pretty boxy, but I'll probably do some sort of review later on when I get to using it a little bit more. So again,
here it is closed, and it closed pretty softly. I'm kind of surprised given the weight. And I'm gonna just take one finger, and it opens pretty easily. So you can see that I didn't really tip over. You didn't have to push too hard or anything like that. So it's pretty cool. So here we have the laptop. Before I even turn it on, just like to kind of give you a rundown on how it feels. The keys, kind of your typical laptop keys. A little nicer than the average one, I'd say. Reminds me of a little bit of the XPS 15. It's my current laptop. The keys look like for some reason they just feel like a little smaller, a little more chiclety, so to speak. But I mean, this won't be a problem in typing. It's a 15-inch laptop. It looks like the keys are spaced out pretty well. Just touching the touchpad, I can tell you that it's a very nice feeling. It's super smooth, super smooth. It almost feels like there's like something on it, to be honest. It's obviously glass pad, and it's got a nice audible click to it, so that's good. I kind of like it where there are no buttons on the pad. I know the previous models had buttons. I mean, I've used both. I used to own a lot of Lenovo's and they have buttons, but to be honest, I kind of prefer no buttons, so that's kind of good. And we got the speakers here. Speakers are cool. They're level, not really indented or anything. You can actually just feel like they're level. Almost feels like it's a little raised, but I don't think it is. And they're fairly large. They go across the sides. And you got this sticker here. Well, it looks like I lost my light, so maybe that's a sign that I should do an actual review some other time. But just to kind of finish this up, I'm going to see if the power's on. I'm not sure if it's actually charged. Oh, it is charged. Or charged enough to at least turn it on. So, push this back, you guys can see a little bit more. So, let's turn it on. Got the Razer logo. You can probably see that the keys are changing color. Kind of hard to see compared to what it's really looking like. Oh, when they turn it off, of course. So this might take a while. I'll probably fast forward the video or cut it here. I'm not sure which. Haven't really decided yet. You can get a better look at that keyboard in the meantime. So it's yellow right now. On the camera, it's kind of looking a bit dimmer than it is in real life, of course. So. But it is pretty bright and the colors are nice, and I'll definitely be customizing that keyboard. Alright, well, it's taking longer than expected to load, so I'm getting impatient. I know you're getting impatient. So I'll probably do just a more of a full review when it is powered on and everything's installed on it, so I can show you at least some of the software and at least the 144 Hz screen. It's kind of what I was hoping for before I ended this video, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So that's it for the unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, consider giving me a thumbs up or maybe even subscribing if you want to see future videos. So that's pretty much it. Until next time.